What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Cartoon Cat Draws. I'm Skipper Lee, and I've been drawing guns for the past 15 years. And for tonight's episode, we are drawing one of the new guns that's just came out in the California Resistance update, which is the double barrel shotgun, the DB-12. So let's jump right in. So the DB-12, in real life it's called the DB-12, made by Standard Manufacturing. So it's basically a pump action shotgun, but with 2 feed tubes and 2 barrels mashed together. So here for the parts, I've drawn them to be I try to be as granular as possible. So the trigger, grip, back strap, the panel here, they are separate pieces. I'm just gonna like start putting the pieces together. So this one is the lower receiver. Let's put the firing selector where it belongs, over here. Let's put the upper receiver. Let's combine it together. It's gonna be a pretty quick one because the pieces, the parts on this gun are pretty like huge and chunky, so we're just gonna like match the two up here. And this is like the top part of the upper receiver. This is where like one of the support struts that go along the top. So we're gonna line it up with one of the hex screw here. I'm gonna line up the top rail. And let's like put the main working parts together. So tube feed and the tube magazine, barrel, and the action bar and the pump handguard, pump action handguard, along with the bottom rail section and the foregrip. So this part goes over these holes. Okay. And this part goes into like something like that. And then we're gonna like bring the magazine, tube magazine, and the barrel together, and then have this is like one of those like front cap. And let's have this all the way up to the receiver. I think we gotta better line up this front piece here. It's either that or one of the parts I'm lining up with. Let's take it here. Yeah, I think that's more like it. So now that we have these parts together, yeah, let's go ahead and put some of the accessories. So one of the base like readily available upgrades, it's a flash hider, but from the manufacturers themselves, it's called the stiletto tactical flash hider. I mean muzzle device, tactical muzzle device. It's called the stiletto because there's just so many pointy stuff. It's basically like a I would say a six prong flash hider where three of them have these tiny little vent holes, and the other three prongs are these sharp tiny spikes. So that's why it's called the stiletto. And the other one is the what is called in game the CQB suppressor. Okay, but I can't off the top of my head. Let me look that up. Who actually made the suppressor for this one? Ah yes, it's from Romeo Hotel Engineering. So shout out to Romeo Hotel Engineering for making this crazy hunk of a suppressor. And I guess yeah, that's our stock DB8 DB12 right there. Double barrel 12 gauge shotgun with two tube magazines feeding 7 rounds each, so that's a total of 14 rounds. And of course, this is just one of the builds, and in Battlefield 6, like there's a lot of foregrip attachments to choose from. Not as many, like there's only just one flash hider and one CQB suppressor for the muzzle, but there's a bunch of foregrip attachments you can put on the bottom rail, and an assortment of low magnification red dots optics iron sights that go on the top rail, as well as a laser up front. So I think we're gonna put a laser up front. Just gonna grab a top mounted laser here. Gonna put it on here, and we're gonna put a like a holographic sight, like a compact holographic sight. Let's put an EOTech, and one of the shorter ones. Let's put a short EOTech up right here. And so yeah, that's a stock configuration of the DB-12. Now let's take this a step further, and let's make something crazy out of this. So I mean it's not too crazy, but I think now I think I feel like I feel like I want to add an extra capacity to these double tubular magazines. So let's put a couple of extendo to this. So let's get rid of the suppressor. Let's get rid of the laser and the holographic sight, and let's turn this into like a support weapon. Let's put in like a high capacity tubular magazine. So let's go into the magazine and then just kind of extend, just kind of duplicate this magazine. So we have like another 7 in each tube, so 7 times 4, that's like what, 28 rounds total. And then let's have the cap here, and then of course we have to like extend the the barrel as well, because you know, for aesthetic purposes. Let's move the muzzle cap. I believe this is like one of the original chokes. Let's get rid of that, and let's like extend. Yeah, let's kind of like duplicate the the barrel all the way to the front here. I think we'll need to like duplicate another set of like front cap for this one as well, like the end cap. And then let's kind of nudge this bit to the back. Wait. Let's line up the pieces here, and with the flash hider. And then, I mean, it kind of looks pretty unstable, so I think we might want to like add like reinforcement, something to like bridge all the gap all the way to the front here. So we're gonna go to the top rail here, and then just move all the way up to the front here. So let's move this section all the way to the front, and then let's add like all the missing rail sections. So let's take one of the rail sections here. And then just like duplicate the slots so we have like a fully extended top rail. Like, I mean, this looks crazy, which it does, but I don't know, it probably looks physically possible with a little bit of, I don't know, like machining or gunsmithing know-how. It's just that this whole thing doesn't really make sense, but it looks crazy. It looks, I don't know, fun. It looks stupid, but it's stupid fun. So let's get rid of the foregrip. Let's put one of the foregrips with one of those bipod foregrips. Yeah, this one has it. So we're gonna take, so you can stabilize your shotgun and lay down support fire. Let's extend that. Oh, too much. Let's extend the bipod grip like that. I don't know, maybe that, or let's take this rail section, let's put it to the front here. And then let's put a proper bipod on there. So let's put one of these Harris bipods on here. Okay, so Harris bipod goes on here. Let's change this foregrip to a different one. I don't like one of these like stubby lightweight aluminum steel foregrips from Zenico, I think. Let's put it here. And yeah, like 28 rounds, 14 rounds in each tube, so that's like double the capacity, and not to mention double the barrel length. So this is probably gonna, like, I don't know higher muzzle velocity, shoots flatter, straighter, and of course with the extra range, you need to put something that allows you to aim just as far. So let's put on one of those. Yeah, let's put one of these. Okay, this could be too big. Let's put one of these. On one of these. So we have like a long range support role semi-sniping pump action double barrel shotgun. Just gonna put this here, and yeah, there we have it. Like extendo magazine and barrel double barrel shotgun. I don't know. I think EA should allow like even higher powered scopes on shotguns. I mean, especially this one, to make shotgun sniping just make the game in general fun again. I look forward to not grinding for this, cause I mean the battle pass is, I'm not a hardcore player, so yeah, it's a grind, and I hope to unlock this gun, but I don't know if I'll be able to make it in time just playing casually. But yeah, so there you have it. This is like the crazy build, crazy DB-12 build, and hope you guys like it. And yeah, thank you guys for sticking around, checking out this, watch me as I put this build together. And if you like what you see, and you like to see more of these builds, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If there's anything particular you want to see, a certain gun or build from a game, from a movie, or from a certain brand, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks for sticking around, and hope to see you guys on the next one. And of course, thank you to these amazing people, because they are the ones who are supporting Pewdoodles, this whole illustrated asset library, this personal project of mine on Patreon. And if you guys want to support the effort, feel free to do so. Every little bit helps, so that I can draw more stuff and just keep drawing cool stuff for y'all. And yeah, so I guess that's about it. If you wanna like give it a shot yourself at putting together these gun parts, I have a website that is still like there's a canvas website on pewdoodles.com with Glock, AR, and AK parts that you can just drag and drop, put together, just like how I made this shotgun. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. So peace, see ya.